Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070780, then let's look for the following solutions. So the first is we have to run an SFC scan. We do that by looking for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and then we input the command SFC space slash scan now and we press enter. Now, if that doesn't resolve the issue, then we need to run the system in a clean boot configuration. A clean boot configuration basically means that we are disabling all the other services on restart of the computer, and the computer will restart only by running Windows services purely. So we do that by looking for system configuration. Click on this. We look for services. And a word of caution here, folks, very important is we have to check this box in the lower left hand corner, hide all Microsoft services. So if we fail to do that, what happens is, if we disable the Microsoft services, when the computer tries to restart, it will not gain access to the Microsoft services and you will be stuck in an endless loop and your computer will fail to start, which is a very scary situation. So hide all Microsoft services and then we'll click on the third party services that we feel are causing this error. We will disable all, apply, OK, and we will restart the computer, and this should fix the issue. Now, if in the rare case these both options don't work, then we will check the disk for bad sectors. So how we do that is we will run the command prompt, look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will input the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter, and then press y and enter, and that should fix the problem. The error should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel and